Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a case which is on section 148 reasons. In the present case, the issue before Mumbai ITAT F bench was that whether the assessing officer can improvise the reasons while passing or while disposing of the objections of the assessee, meaning thereby that if the assessing officer gives some reasons for issuing the notice under section 148 and the assessee raises the objection and assessing officer disposes of those objections, so whether the assessing officer can bring some new allegations against the assessee in the order disposing of the objections and whether the assessment based on those improvisation of reasons is valid. This issue has been decided by Honorable Mumbai ITAT F bench in the case of Shah Rukh Khan versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax. This case is reported in 133 ITR Tribunal, page number 39, and the date of the judgment is 4th March 2025. The matter relates to assessment year 12-13. In the present case, the assessment of the assessee was already completed under section 143 subsection 3, and when the assessment was completed, in that assessment the detailed questionnaire were issued to the assessee, particularly giving relief to the assessee in regard to some income accrued outside India for the assessee. When the assessment was completed, then notice under section 148 was issued to the assessee after 4 years, and after issuing the notice to the assessee when the reasons were supplied to the assessee, in the reasons it was not alleged that the assessee has not disclosed truly and fully some material facts which were necessary for completing the assessment. There is a proviso to section 147 before 31st March 2021 that if the assessing officer wants to issue the notice under section 148 after 4 years and if the assessment of the assessee has already been completed under section 143 subsection 3, then in that case the assessing officer has to mention in the reasons that what the assessee has not disclosed in the original assessment for which the assessing officer is now issuing the notice. When the reasons were supplied to the assessee, this allegation was not made. The assessee raised the objections, and when the objections were disposed of, this fact was brought to the notice of the assessee through the order of disposing of the objections that the assessee has not disclosed some material facts which were necessary for completing the assessment. After that, the assessment under section 147 was completed, in which the claim of the assessee under section 90 was completely denied, and when the assessee was before the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal also upheld the order of the assessing officer. When the matter was before the tribunal, the assessee was urging the quashing of the assessment proceedings on the ground that the mandate of proviso to section 147 has not been complied by the assessing officer, hence there is jurisdictional defect in issuing the notice. And when the tribunal heard the matter, the tribunal noticed that there is no doubt that the assessment of the assessee is already completed under section 143 subsection 3, and now the notice under section 148 has been issued after 4 years. So it was the duty of the assessing officer to mention in the reasons that there is failure on the part of the assessee to truly and fully disclose the material facts, and the courts have further gone in that case that the assessing officer has to tell that how the failure of the assessee has affected the computation of the income at that time. Since in the present case that jurisdictional fact was not completed by the assessing officer while recording the reasons, so the assessing officer cannot improvise the reasons while disposing of the objections. So the whole assessment was quashed for the proviso to section 147. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Shah Rukh Khan versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 133 ITR Tribunal at page number 39, and the date of the judgment is 4th March 2025. Thank you, friends.